If you launch the finals and you get the login error TFLA0002, this means that you need to create an Embark.net account in order to play the game. So watch this tutorial to learn how to do it. First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Log in with your platform. Mine is Steam. Type in your account name. Type in your password. Press sign in. Check your email and type the code they sent you. Press sign in to bind your Steam account to Embark.net. Type in your email account to create a new Embark.net account. Press continue. Now check your email account to verify your address. If you don't see a verification email from Embark.net, then check your spam folder or click resend email again. Now launch the finals.